됐어.
차 끌고 올 수가 없네.
가로질러 갈까? 여기로? Yes, we just arrived.
사람 엄청 많아요.
Hot dog focus. That's right.
Katie! Oh, yeah. Katie, hi, how?
Happy Bonfire night!
Wow! Wow!
You made it just in time.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, there must be ramen.
We've been there before.
That's too much.
Yes. Oh, look. Guys.
Theo, hi.
Say hi, Theo.
Haley and Paul.
Nice to meet you.
Look.
Hi. You.
나도 모자 썼어. 추워서.
잘했어. 아, 지금 저희는 Bonfire
Bonfire.
or GUY FAWKES 라고 하는 영국 행사를 보러 왔는데요. 매년 11월 5일에 이렇게 공원에 모여서 불꽃놀이를 한다고 합니다. 너무 멋있어요. 사람 엄청 많아요, 지금 여기. Theo is sleeping now?
They've
Almost.
just been to a party. They've just been playing
Yeah.
for 2 hours in a soft play.
Today?
Oh
Like
my.
climbing and
Yeah.
That's why they're
Yeah.
all tired.
He should be tired now.
so relaxing.
This one's sleeping too.
He's so sleepy. How are you feeling?
Oh, amazing.
Are you enjoying it?
Theo, can you sway?
와, 지금 불꽃놀이 끝나고 사람들이 다 나가고 있어요. 저희는 그 틈을 타서 본파이어에 가까이 가고 있습니다.
Okay, so this is for you to. I know you like to share things.
Woo! Thank you.
Bonfire toffee apple.
Oh.
Bonfire toffee
It's an
apple.
apple, and then they cover it in hard toffee. and
Oh,
crunch
really?
it.
Oh my
Wow.
God! Thank
It's
you.
really bad for your teeth. It's just sugar.
Wow,
So-
thank you.
So that's a traditional bonfire.
Okay.
Wow. This is amazing though because I can't see like big fire like that.
Yeah.
Never.
We can see that.
I haven't seen those kind of big fire in South Korea yet. We
When,
haven't.
when they first lit this, the flames were going really high.
Really high.
Really
we
high.
should have been.
Like a top.
Because we could see it.
Ready? Theo, do you want this one? You hold it.
Ready?
Okay, Theo, ready? Daddy will hold it with you. Oh,
Oh no.
I have to do it in my jacket.
Oh no!
you
Watch out.
That's so
Oh
flammable.
my God.
Don't do this, Theo.
Theo, move.
Theo, 오빠 Theo 좀.
Uh,
Oh my God.
There you go. Yay!
Theo.
Come over here.
Yeah.
can do it to you.
Woo. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
It works?
Of course.
Haley.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. There you go. Ready? Put it nice and close, Theo. Wow.
Wow. Fire.
Do some circles.
Circle like this.
Wow.
Woo.
Oh, another one. Okay.
Wiggling.
Can you do it like a Power Ranger?
Oh,
Power Ranger.
Oh. Oh, you get
He
it.
did it.
Oh, who's the strongest? Theo.
Oh.
Wow.
Let's go, Theo.